Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a super fun and interactive feature that WhatsApp has recently updated, creating polls in your WhatsApp group. This is a fantastic way to engage with your friends or family, gather opinions, and make group decisions much easier. So, if you want to know how you can add a touch of interactivity to your WhatsApp conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the simple steps to create a poll in your WhatsApp group. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed to access all the new features. Step 2. Next, open the specific group or chat where you want to create the poll. It could be your book club, family group, or a team of coworkers. The choice is yours. Step 3. Now, look for the attachment icon at the bottom of your screen. This is usually represented by a paperclip or a plus sign. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 4. After tapping the attachment icon, you'll see various options pop up. Here, tap the poll icon. It usually looks like a small chart or bar graph. Step 5. This is the fun part. You can now add your questions and multiple choice options. Make sure your questions are clear and engaging when you're crafting them. Step 6. Once you've added your questions and options, simply tap the send arrow icon. Your poll will be sent to the group, ready for everyone to cast their votes. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll in your WhatsApp group. Give it a try and see how your friends respond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.